Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Jetcost application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And at the notifications section, look for the get tips and be inspired by our travel advices button. And if you want to enable notifications on these, then just click on the white circle next to it. And then click on the settings button. And here click on the notifications button, and then click on the enable notifications button, and then just go back to the application, and once it turns green, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.